No rain in the valley today. Not too many clouds either. You see the First 1-5 Doppler networks all dry, besides a couple of little spots of showers way offshore and a couple of little small showers and storms over in the mountains of Mexico, but nothing coming in here for this evening. So it's hot, hot, hot. 101 in McAllen, also Rio Grande City. It's dropping a little bit in the lower valley, down to 92 now in Brownsville and 97 in Harlingen. Feels like it's over 100 everywhere. You factor in the humidity, which is highest in the lower valley. You see that 111, the heat index in McAllen, Harlingen, and Raymondville, and even 116 in Rio Grande City. So it might feel a little hotter than yesterday. The humidity's up a bit. The dew points are running mostly in the 70s, but even upper 70s close to the coast. You start to get those numbers higher and higher into the 70s. It really starts to feel kind of sweaty out there if you're out working or playing or running. So kind of take it easy again. Like I tell you a lot, heat index about 105 to 115 again the next couple of afternoons. And I think we'll still have the breeze around tomorrow, but probably less of a breeze, especially as we get toward Friday and Saturday coming up. So your day planner for the day on Thursday, 80s in the morning, 90s already by lunchtime, and upper 90s, lower 100s, kind of like today by afternoon, with the winds from the southeast around 15, 20, sometimes 25 miles per hour. But a day, again, very much like today coming for tomorrow. You see some clouds, showers, and storms way up the river near Del Rio. You might see a few high clouds in the western sky near sunset, but doubtful this will get much closer. I think we're looking at a couple showers and storms staying way out there west of Laredo, and you see nothing in the valley coming at us for today. Elsewhere across Texas, things are pretty quiet, but there might be a few showers and storms later this evening and tonight in North Texas and the North Texas Panhandle, but again, nothing able to really come into the valley for the next several days. So Future Track has dry weather around tonight with clear to partly cloudy skies, maybe a few high clouds around. Tomorrow back to mainly just sunny, breezy, and hot weather with temperatures again close to 100 in many areas, mostly in the 90s in Cameron and Woolsey counties, but near 100 or higher farther west you go into Hidalgo and Starr counties. And even on Friday, you see there's Friday, about the same thing with mainly just sunshine around and a lot of heat again, but maybe not quite as breezy on Friday. So we took the word breezy off there for Friday. Rain chances down at about 0% for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, and probably near that for Sunday as well coming up. Now, if you are going to the coast to cool off, still a few more days of summer there. 90 tomorrow for a high on South Padre Island at the beach for Thursday and on Friday. A moderate risk of rip currents, but otherwise still a little breeze at times on Friday and maybe less of a breeze, or from Thursday to Friday, less of a breeze around by Friday. Now in the tropics, things, as we get toward late August and September, that's usually when things become more active, but it's quiet in the Gulf of Mexico now. We'll show you coming up at 6 o'clock some disturbances out in the Atlantic. At least one of them might try to get toward the Caribbean by next week. So things, though, for the short term for the Gulf looking pretty quiet. First 1-5 7-day forecast, highs near 100 again tomorrow and Friday. Not much different. I mean, I like you so much I cooled it off to 99 on Saturday and Sunday just to make you feel cooler. But really, it's not going to be much different through the weekend. If there are any showers, there's a weak disturbance that might generate a couple of daytime showers next week. So we'll track those for you later on again at 6 and coming up in your first 1-5 forecast. Dina?